Alright guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. We are going to unbox this Pixel 5 case. This is for the brand new Pixel 5. These fabric cases always look so cool to me, and Google sent this one out. This is a gift from Google. They sent this along with the Pixel 5, so I've got the sage green version here as you see. So we are going to try this on, and I'll tell you a little bit about how it feels, and we'll get a first look at it. Alright, so it says this is made from 70% recycled material actually. And as you can see, this is kind of the bluish and orange look here. So let's get this open. There. All right, pretty cool. So never thought I'd see a phone case that is machine washable. So you can machine wash this on delicate and air dry it, which is pretty crazy. Alright guys, so there's a close-up of the fabric. Looks pretty darn cool. Like I said, you can see there's kind of some orange, a little bit of almost like an aqua, kind of like a little navy blue or jean color there. Here's the other side, so you got kind of white inside. And this is like a soft, almost like felt or velvety feel on the inside. So that's good because that's gonna be nice. It's not gonna scratch up your phone. It's not just plastic there. You can see obviously the power button there, but there is like a volume rocker here, and that is raised so that you can actually feel that as well. So it gives you a little bit of a tactile feedback. All right, so we got the Pixel 5 here. Let's get this on. So we're just gonna snap that. And it's simple as that. It snaps in. You can see the bottom part is open here for the charging and for your downward firing speakers. On this one here, then you can see obviously the sage green through here with the fingerprint sensor. And all the cutouts are definitely precise there. Got the orange little Google logo down there and over on the side on the power button there. And like I mentioned, you can feel and kind of see here, this is raised. You could probably hear that for the volume rocker. But you can see guys, yeah, pretty cool. Doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. Still pretty small. It's gonna add a little bit of substance to the phone, but overall, it definitely feels pretty small and lightweight still. This is a very lightweight case, so it doesn't add a whole lot. But I definitely like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I like all the different fibers and colors that you get in there. All right guys, so we'll see how this holds up. I have a Pixel 5 unboxing video here as well, so that'll be popping up at the end. Check it out right over here to the right. But I'll do another follow-up review if you guys want to see with how this holds up after some use. And I also have the Pixel Buds that Google sent out. So those are going to be showing up here on the channel as well. And I'm definitely going to show the feature of using this as kind of like a power bank and wirelessly charging the Pixel Buds, sharing some of the power from the phone here. So hit that subscribe button if you guys are interested in more Pixel content. I also have a Pixel 4a video up on the channel, and I have that right here. I've been using this as my daily driver for probably about a month and a half now. So check that out. If you want to see some videos comparing these two, let me know down there below. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.